Hi guys, this is Mr. Bob Buddha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mouth-watering chicken dish that's incredibly easy and delicious. The best part, you will only need a few simple ingredients and you will have it ready in no time with minimal effort. So whether you have no cooking experience or you're short on time or you simply want something delicious without any hassle, this recipe is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. So for today's recipe, you will need these ingredients: 1 to 1.5 kg of mixed chicken parts, cleansed and cut into medium pieces. 4 large tomatoes, preferably a bit ripe and juicy. Approximately 500 ml of mustard oil, which will give this dish a good flavor. 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper and salt to taste. For this recipe, I used 1 teaspoon of salt. And finally, green chilies to taste and fresh ginger. I used about 7 small to medium sized green chilies. I will leave the ingredients list on screen now and in the description below. Alright, let's get started. First, preheat your wok or a deep pan over medium heat, and once it's hot, pour in the mustard oil. When the oil is sizzling, add in your chicken pieces. Make sure your pan is spacious enough so that each piece gets some love from the oil. Then turn the pieces to coat them evenly. Once all the pieces are coated, let them fry on high heat for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 15 minutes, it's time to add the tomatoes. If your wok or pan is large, you can add them whole, but if not, like in my case, cut them in half. Cook the tomatoes, turning them every minute or so until they become mushy and the skin starts peeling off. Once the skin is loose, peel it off. You can peel the tomatoes while in the pan itself, or you can remove the tomatoes, peel them and add them back in the pan once peeled. Whichever works best for you. Just make sure you do not leave any tomato skin inside. Next, carefully remove a bit more than half of the oil from the pan. When you're done removing the oil, mash the tomatoes completely until they form a nice smooth mixture. It will look something like this. Now you can add your salt and black pepper. Then add your green chilies and fresh ginger. Once everything is added, cover with a lid and let the chicken cook on a medium to high heat for about 5 minutes.
After 5 minutes, uncover the pan and give everything a good stir, making sure nothing is sticking to the bottom. Now, cook the chicken uncovered for another 5 minutes on medium heat. And voila! Our chicken is now ready. It looks incredibly delicious, and trust me, it tastes even better. Once done, turn off the heat and let it rest for about 5 minutes before serving. And there you have it, an easy, quick and delicious chicken dish that's sure to impress. Serve it up with roti, chapati or rice and enjoy. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and if you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next one, and as always, stay blessed.